The Lassen County Foster Youth Services Program started in 2003 with a grant from the California Department of Education. The Probation Department, in partnership with the Lassen County Office of Education, set out to provide services for vital record collection, timely school enrollment, and to improve educational outcomes for foster youth in Lassen County.
This coordinator was a part-time employee managing and providing services to 50 foster youth, 11 school districts, and 24 schools. All 58 counties in California have a foster youth services program, but Lassen County is the only one to operate the program at the Probation Department. Most foster youth have high dropout rates, low test scores, high rates of school mobility from placement moves, and decreased rates of entering post-secondary education. The goal is to improve those rates for all foster youth in Lassen County.
10 years later, the Foster Youth Services Program underwent a redesign to provide more specific and comprehensive services to meet the current needs of the population. Lester Ruda, FYS Program Coordinator, and then Program Assistant Callie Oxford took the program from an additional duty as assigned to a multifaceted partnership focused on helping foster youth succeed.
The program provides capacity-building services to give educators, youth, parents, service providers, and community members the knowledge to help youth find career paths, overcome educational barriers, and participate in individualized education programs. The program also assists with difficult behavior, checking in with foster youth to ensure they are meeting educational goals, and mentoring youth aging out of the system.
During the redesign, Lester was thrown into a small planning group of 4 people from both Lassen and Plumas counties for a youth education summit. YES is a collaborative camp event supported by several agencies representing multiple counties to provide educational, motivational, coping, and life skills to foster youth, parents, and service providers.
The small group quickly grew into a collaborative, defined the purpose and mission of the camp, and then refined the program with a focus on helping high-risk youth succeed. YES, or Youth Education Summit, also focuses on giving care providers and important adults in a younger person's life the tools they need to help youth succeed.
Tutoring was enhanced to reach more students, be multifaceted, and create budget savings to provide more services. Tutoring was traditionally provided on an individual basis and was limited to a small number of students. Creating a classroom-style system of tutoring will increase the number of youth participating in the program.
Foster youth service staff focus on attendance in school to decrease the number of absences due to participation in services, to reduce the reason the youth is in care. Foster youth often attend behavioral health, substance abuse, or medical appointments during the school day. Tutoring will assist in making up assignments and homework, and FYS will continue advocating for youth to be enrolled in services outside of the school day when possible.
Capacity building amongst the service and education providers, families, and the community became a focus. Foster Youth Services provides free training in the areas of trauma-informed care, legal issues, alternatives to higher education, and increasing outcomes for foster youth.
Creative budgeting and utilizing local resources keep the cost of these trainings so low there is no charge. These trainings help everyone in the community working with foster youth understand the challenges these youth present, the barriers they face, and how we can help them succeed. It also helps send the message about success being an individual vision and not the service providers or the traditional belief of what success is.
Once most of the service changes were complete, it was time to let everyone in Lassen County know about the Foster Youth Services Program.
We partnered with Kuso Technologies to design a logo, social media connectors, website, educational materials, and marketing for our message. Video success stories were implemented to gain the perspective of things youth experience in foster care and the resource families. Educating everyone in our community has increased the number of referrals we receive for services and advocacy.